Today we will be making dinosaur eggs and hatching them in this STEM science experiment. For this project, you will need a 1/4 cup food coloring, a plastic syringe, parchment paper, vinegar. You can also add glitter for fun. Some water. It would be great if you could use gloves if you have them. Tiny dinosaurs! You can find these at the Dollar Tree for $1 for a pack of them. If you want this to be less messy, you can use no food coloring and just have white eggs.
Have them.
Baking soda. And I grabbed just a few glass bowls. It depends on how many you make for how many bowls and boxes of baking soda you will need. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so pour the baking soda into the bowls. Try to make it an even amount in each bowl. Oh yeah, Gibson has his own box that we can put that in.
Stop.
You can use all of it. Did you use the whole box?
Well, I don't even have a box.
So the instructions say that you can make about 3 eggs per box. How many eggs do we need to make?
7.
Okay, so we might need to add a little more then. So open up our other box of baking soda.
Oh, you mean right here? Make 7 eggs because there's 7 dinosaurs.
Good.
Got my color.
Next, choose your favorite color and pour it into your mix.
Mine.
Go ahead, drip, drip, drip.
Is this gonna be mine?
As much or as little as you want, really. And that's what the gloves are for, so they don't get all over your hands. Step 2, fill up a 1/4 cup of water and add it to your mixture. There, yep. All right, so pour that in.
I got it on the glove. Now I know what the gloves are for.
Yeah, so you don't get all over your hands. Ooh, blue. All right, Isaac's is turning yellow.
Did I mix now? Yep, yellow.
Okay, and then Ava needs a 1/4 cup still.
Done. Go.
Whoa. Mix it up with your hand.
Look at mine.
Mix,
Mine is
mix,
my
mix.
favorite color.
So it's gonna start to get like a paste, and it'll start to get sticky so that we can squish our eggs together. Now, once they're good and mixed the way we like it, we're gonna fill them with our dinosaurs. Now I'm gonna add some glitter. Now I'm gonna cover the rest of it with our mixture. 1 egg done. So you put some in your hand, then you put the dinosaur like that. Then if you want to add glitter, you can add glitter. Boom, boom, boom. Then you can mix colors if you want. I'm gonna grab some yellow right here.
I want glitter with
I'm gonna
yellow.
cover it up. Wait, this one's gonna be really crazy because I'm gonna use this too. So that when we go to hatch it, the colors will bubble and look really awesome together. Alright?
Ooh, that
This is a
sounds cool.
cool egg. So no one really knows what dinosaur eggs look like. So they could really be anything you can imagine. That one's done. Place your eggs onto the parchment paper. Add a little tiny squirt of dish soap on the bottom of your bowl. I use clear dish soap so you can't really see it, but I just added a little squirt in there. And pick which egg you would like to hatch.
I would like to hatch this one.
Okay, put 1 egg in each bowl that you want to hatch.
Hatch me.
This one's already starting to hatch. Oh no, it's trying to get out already. All right, so put that one in there, and Ava, pick one in your bowl. I'm using the same bowls, I just rinsed them out.
This one.
Time to hatch our eggs. What is inside the syringe, Isaac?
Vinegar.
So we have white vinegar inside of our syringe, and go ahead and try to hatch it.
Whoa.
Almost clean. Get it. Ooh.
Oh, I I think I see
You
it.
can pick it up if you want and then finish squirting it
Oh,
clean.
no, I can't.
So the boys just kind of shook the bowl around a little, and that also helped.
That's a big puddle.
I think it might be hatched now. Let's check it out. Is it coming out yet?
Oh, I feel it. Whoa. Can I do it? Can I do it?
We found a baby dinosaur. Let's clean it. Nice and clean. Welcome to the world, baby dino. You shall be our baby dino. I see some glitter in here.
Can we put this one in?
Oh, let's wait. Hold on. Let's see what happens if we dunk this one in here. Oh, this is the one that's already hatching.
Yep, I want it.
It's all full of glitter.
Yeah, it's so full of it. Wonder how that
The
happened.
colors are mixing and changing.
Hey!
It's looking like a beautiful kind of teal color.
Mom, I'm not. I squatted right in it.
Right
Mom, it's out! It's out! Whoa, we got him.
This one came out over here.
Whoa! It just exploded.
Ooh.
I see some glitter in mine. Look at that. Look right there. There's a glitter. Ava, you are not choosing the glitter. I see glitter. Beep, beep, beep. Then I'm not pick this one. No, beep,
I think this is a Dimetrodon here.
Scissors. Like you might have made a hole. I see my dinosaur. I can't. Yellow mixture. I hit one.
When we were all done, we poured all the contents from our bowls into the bathtub, and the kids took a bath with it because baking soda is super good for your skin. We hope you had fun watching this science experiment. Please share in the classroom if you tried this at home on your own.